So as you can see, my washer jets are a bit sad, to say the least. So today we are going to fix that. So I just ordered these washer jets on Amazon for like 15 bucks. And I'm just going to replace the ones in my car. I've tried to clean them out to no avail. So I'm thinking replacement is going to be the best option. So under the hood, there's just a few Phillips head screws you have to remove. One there. One there. One there. We go over to the other side. One right there. And then there's also these panel clips there. And one up there. And those just have to be removed. Next we are going to remove these few little clips. So there's one here, one here, one here, one over here, and I think there must have been one over there, but it must have gone missing. Alrighty, so with all that undone, this now lifts up fairly easily, and you can get your hand under there. You can get your hand under that little jet there, and that little jet over to there. This is the hardest part, and I can't really explain it without showing you on the new washer jet, but this is what the washer jet looks like. As you can see, there's these little tabs here, these little clips, and you just have to squeeze those and then push it up, and it'll actually pop through the hole and you can replace it. So I'm not going to be able to show you guys how to do that. I'm just going to have to do it, and you guys will just have to play around with it. Alrighty, so just to ensure that these are working properly, I was able to pull the line that actually holds together the washer jets out, and I'm just going to make sure that they're working properly so I don't do all this hard work for nothing. Alrighty, moment of truth. Whoa, geez, yep, I'm standing right in the way. Okay, those work quite well. Alrighty, so I don't think I really have to go through step by step exactly what has to be done to button this all back up, but I'm just going to put down the clips again. I'm going to replace the Phillips head screws and replace those couple of panel clips. And that's about all. This has been a really easy installation, quick and easy fix. Like I said, on these ones here with the gold tips, I can actually adjust the spray pattern, so I can actually adjust where it is spraying. Not necessarily the spray pattern, but the spray location at least. Anyways, that's about all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, have a good one.